Good morning, Year 2C. So we have our maths lesson now and we are starting a brand new topic. Now it can be quite tricky, this topic, but I think we're all ready for it, okay? And we are looking at time. Now we're going to start off nice and slow and just look at the different units of time today, which I think you'll all probably know. But we're going to have a look at in more detail just to make sure we're super confident, okay? So I thought I'd have a chat with you on this video about how we measure time, and then you can answer those questions on your PowerPoint. Now, let's have a look at a pencil, for example. Now, I'm pretty sure all of you would say, I would measure that pencil in centimetres. You're not going to measure it in a metre, are you? Okay, it's too small. But with time, it can be measured in so many different ways. It can be as small as a second or as big as a year. So the smallest unit of time is a second. And then it's a minute. And then it's an hour, a day, a week, a month, a year. Okay? Those are all your measurements or units that we're going to look at today. But I'm going to tell you how many are inside each. So, there are 60 seconds inside that minute. 60 seconds. I'm not sure why 60, but it is. And how many minutes inside that hour? 60 again. So that's nice. 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in that 1 hour. Okay? But how many hours are in a day? Now remember, your day actually starts at midnight. The clock goes back to 0 and it starts right at the beginning all over again. So you go from midnight through the early hours whilst we're all sleeping, okay? And then we have our morning where we do our lessons. And then that hand on the clock will reach 12 and you'll think, oh, it's lunchtime. And then it will carry on into the afternoon. So it's 24 hours in your whole day from midnight right up until when you go to sleep, and it's midnight again. But how many days in a week? 7. Just have to look at our timetable. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days in 1 week. So days and a week are both units of time. Now, how many weeks are in a year? This is just one you might just have to learn, I'm afraid. There's 52 weeks in 1 year. So there's 12 months in a year, from January through to December, okay? And then when we count up all those weeks inside those months, there are 52 weeks all together. An interesting fact, months have different amounts of days inside. So the shortest month only has 28 days, which is February. Sometimes it has 29, but we'll talk about that at another time. And in April this month, there are 30 days, whereas some might have 31. Okay? So, smallest unit of time is the second, and the largest is going to be the year. But on your questions, looking at them on your PowerPoint, we need to find out how many are in each unit of time. So if I said to you, how many seconds in 1 minute? Looking through your PowerPoint, you were going to say 60. And if I said, how many hours in that 1 day? It's 24. And how many weeks in 1 year? There are 52 all together. Okay, so we've just had a chat about the different units of time. I'll try to find a really good video as well to explain it a bit more for you, and just have a go at answering those questions on the last slide for me.